Good morning, students. As you know that we have already started the explanation of the chapter, that is chapter 4. So yesterday we have already been taught the chapter 4. That is our topic of the chapter is globes and the maps, and we are from the geography part. So now today I will show you the video, and on your screen you can see here the video, okay, which will help you to understand the chapter. Okay, so on here you can see the video. So let's get started with the video.
Maps and directions. The earliest maps were made by the Babylonians in about 600 BC. The first map to represent the known world of that time was created by Anaximander, a Greek philosopher in the 6th century BC. The word map comes from the Latin word mappa, which means napkin, cloth, or sheet. We know how globes and maps are important for our proper understanding of the earth. They help us to locate places easily. Globes and maps have also greatly helped in the field of navigation. Types of maps. Maps are of different types. Physical maps, political maps, thematic maps, climate maps, economic maps, topographic maps, road maps, location maps. Physical maps. Maps that highlight the physical features of an area, such as mountains, rivers, and lakes, are called physical maps. Different colors are used in order to signify specific relief features of the earth. Physical maps are very useful to mountaineers and pilots. Political maps indicate state and national boundaries, capitals, and major cities. A capital city is usually marked with a star within a circle. Political maps clearly show borders of states and countries, along with the division and subdivision of continents. Thematic maps. Maps that are made to represent particular information like the climate, tourist places, parks, and sanctuaries, etc., are called thematic maps. Climate maps. Maps that give information about the climate, that is, temperature, humidity, precipitation, that is, rain and snow, etc., of a region, are called climate maps. Different colors are used to show different climatic zones. Economic maps. Maps that indicate natural resources or any economic activity in an area are called economic maps or resource maps. Standard symbols are used to depict this information. For example, the picture of a lion is used to indicate the presence of lions in different pockets of the area. Topographic maps. A topographic map shows the different geographical features in a detailed manner with the help of lines called contour lines. Road maps. Road maps show cities, highways, and roads, airports, railway tracks, and other landmarks of business or tourist interest. People use road maps on trips and for driving directions. The navigation application on our laptops and mobile phones are useful because of these maps. Road maps help travelers to reach a particular place easily. Globe, maps, and directions. Location maps. In some big colonies, maps are displayed at the entrance gate. This helps people to find the house they want to visit without difficulty. In metros and big cities, hospitals also display a map for the convenience of patients and visitors. Important elements used in maps. Scale. A map is always drawn to a scale with regard to actual ground distances. For example, in the scale given in this map, 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometers on the actual ground. Directions. The 4 major directions are north, east, south, and west. They are commonly denoted by their initials N, E, S, and W. North, that is N. Top portion. East, that is E. The right hand side, that is, if we stand facing the map. South, that is S. The bottom portion, opposite to the north. West, that is W. The left hand side, that is opposite to the east. Let us improve our sense of direction. Every morning, the sun rises in the same direction. This direction is the east. Stand in an open place early in the morning, facing the sun. You will be facing the east. The west is behind you. Your left arm points to the north. Your right arm points to the south. So, the next time when you face the morning sun, you will remember the four directions. Colors. The colors used in maps depict the following features. Red, major roads. Blue, water bodies such as rivers, lakes, waterfalls, etc. Green, forested areas and vegetation. White, used to show icy or polar regions or areas that receive snowfall. Brown, contour lines and elevations. Black, minor roads, trails, structures, latitude and longitude lines, etc. Symbols. In maps, symbols are meant to provide information about the geographical location of places like temples, churches, bridges, or roads, etc. Some map symbols are given below. Atlas, a book containing a collection of maps of different parts of the globe, is called an atlas. The atlas is a very useful book, especially for students of geography. Today, with just a click of the button,
Students, I hope that you watched the video, okay, and you understood the chapter as well. So now you need to take in the page number 134, okay. You need to take in the page number 134. I'll show it the image to you, okay. Just for the roundup, what did we learn till now? Okay, I will show you this. You see this one, then you can understand. Page number 134. Okay, you need to see this. Okay, first one, what we can see is that roundup globe. It's a 3D representation of the earth. By looking the globe, if you take the globe on your hand, then you can understand that how the earth look like. Okay, what is the exact model, how it rotates, it is standing the slightly bend also, we can understand this. Okay, then also if you see the map, then what we can understand by the map is that a map is a flat representation of the earth. Okay, and you can see the map, you can read the map and you can understand the places in a detailed way. Okay, then if we say about the sketch, rough drawing of an area, simply if you draw, then it is called sketch. Plan, detailed drawing of a small area such as a room, building or house. Suppose if any person is constructing building, okay, if any person is constructing building, then they will make what plan, that each room will be how much big, where to fit the sofas, where to fit the bed. Okay, that is all about. In the map, we will study about the types of map as we have seen already in the video, that they are political map, physical map and thematic map. Already you have seen there. Components of the map also you have seen. Title is there, scale, conventional symbols and the directions. Okay, as also we have learned that how to take out the directions of the places. Okay, the sketch and the plan also we have seen. Students, you have to learn the key terms. Okay, that is the meaning, word meaning you need to learn. Okay, the like key terms is this first written atlas, cardinal direction, atlas, a book of maps. As you have seen that one, a book of maps is called atlas. In the image also I showed you, right? It is a very helpful book for the geography students. Okay, cardinal direction, that is 4 direction. How to took out the direction you learned also already, that you have to face towards the east side, and your back of that will be the west. This side your left hand will be the north, and this side will be the south. So this way how you need to find the direction. You understood that conventional some symbols also you came to see. Okay, globe also we have learned that what is globe. It is a model of the art. Intermediate direction, the direction between the other direction, northeast, that northwest, southwest, southwest, the direction between the other directions, like between the north and the east, the northeast direction. Okay, that is called intermediate direction. Then like there is other directions also. Northwest is there, south is there, and the southwest is there. That if you say about map, okay, then what is a map? It's a rough representation of the earth on a flat surface, as we have already learned. These are all meaning of the chapter's word meaning. Then is a plan also, and the scale and the sketch we can know. Next class, I will give you the what called fill in the blanks, match the following, state whether the following statements are true and false, answer the following questions in brief, answer the question in detail. And I will start the next chapter, that is chapter 5, 4 limbs of the earth. But if you have doubt or you want to ask anything that you want the explanation of the any chapters, whether it is chapter 3 or whether it is any chapter, then you can say me. If you have doubt related to this chapter only, chapter 4, then you can say me. Even you can call me up or you can message me. Also, you can say in the live classes, during live classes also, that you want the explanation. The explanation you want, I'll just make a video or I will explain in the live classes only, and I will try to clear you all your doubts. Dear students, learn the question answers, write your question answers properly. Rechecking will be done. As you know that after finishing or writing, okay, you need to send me the question answers. I will do the online checking there. That's all. So for today, till then that, take care. Thank you. Bye bye everyone.